Hey, you go up on this side.
There we go. Woo! What's your name and what's in here real quick?
Shane. I got 2 Brazilian Sound Platinum 18s on the bass. It don't lift up.
Oh, no.
If you want to hit on 2, on the bass 8K. You want to hit right
There it is. Yeah, I was just trying to see the amp.
And there's one right behind there.
Nice. All right. Did you build this?
That's what the guy used to house that his truck build it.
Okay. Sweet. Have you gotten a meter yet?
I do a 55.
55. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
I'm gonna let it cool down. Then I'm gonna go meter it one more time.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you went from kickers to the Brazilian.
Yep.
It's like a night and day difference. Is it just more power or different
Yeah,
sounds, everything?
I had the MP8K on the Subwoofers.
Yeah.
And I got a really good deal for these.
Uh-huh.
And I swapped, swapped the D's. Yeah. I could lower. I think the lowest I got was 22 hertz. So, and when the Subwoofers, I couldn't get hit that low.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Hey, no problem, bud.
Woo.
Hey, thank you, bud.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you go up on this side.
There we go. Thank you. kickers to the Resilient.
Yep.
It's like a night and day difference. Is it just more power or different
it's
subs, everything?
I had an MD8K on the Subwoofers.
Yeah.
And I got a really good deal for these.
Uh-huh.
And I swapped, swapped the D's. Yeah. I could lower. I think the lowest I got was 22 hertz. So, And when the Subwoofers, I couldn't get that low.
Yeah. Thank you, man.